the FBI paid a visit to Malcolm's home in Queens and made some fascinating overtures. Now, it just so happens that Malcolm had installed a hidden microphone in his living room and had taped the conversation. And fortuitously, I acquired that recording.
This is a clip from Gil Noble's 1983 Like It Is special report, The Covert War Against Malcolm X. What you're about to hear is a recording Malcolm X made himself, a hidden microphone he had installed under his own couch in his Queens living room. His aide, Earl Grant, rigged it up specifically because Malcolm knew he'd get visitors he needed on record. While he was silenced and isolated from Elijah Muhammad's organization, 2 FBI agents showed up at his front door and tried to recruit him as an informant.
We would be, I'm sure interested in having you help us out.
Help you out to do what?
Well, what we're interested in are the people who belong, the names, the members, and the teachings, plans, the programs. What we really want are the names of all those who belong, the names, who they are, the identification.
I don't even know them.
You keep no records?
It's not my job. I'm just preaching.
Yeah, but somebody up there keeps the record.
I don't know who. I don't have any knowledge of those kinds of things. With all these other responsibilities I've had, it'd be difficult for me to worry about names. Plus, you would insult my intelligence. You would insult your own, because it would mean that your own intelligence isn't heavy enough to weigh me and know in advance what I'm going to say when you ask that question.
Well, without getting into semantics there, you don't know until you ask.
That's not semantics. That again goes into your psychology.
Sometimes money brings out the information. I know intent to insult you here.
According to Dillon, what's his name, the Secretary of Treasury, this government's money is in such trouble until
you can still spend it.
Still, according to your government economist, the dollar itself is in such trouble. A person would be a fool to sell his soul for one of these decreasing dollars.
Oh, yeah. But this has nothing to do with selling your soul. I mean, if you look at it that way, okay.
Yeah,
but
depends on how you look at it.
Sure.
You insult my intelligence when not only they insult me, period. If they think I would tell them anything, there's no government agency that can ever expect any information out of me that's in any way detrimental to any religious group or black group, for that matter, in this country.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel